Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the distance between the points a minus 15, 15 and b 11, minus 9 is m units, then what is the value of m? Now we know distance between 2 points is given by x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square whole under root. So we have d is equal to m and x1 is given as minus 15, y1 is given x2 is given as 11, so minus 15 minus 11 whole square plus y1 is given as 15, y2 is given as minus 9, so y1 minus y2 is 15 minus of minus 9, which is 15 plus 9 whole square. So we get that is units. So we get under root of 15 minus 11 whole square, that means minus 26 whole square. So minus 26 square and plus 15 plus 9 is 24 square. So let's see what we have, units, and then we have under root of, let's see, 6 7 6 20, minus 26 whole square is equal to 26 square, which is 676, and 24 square is 576 units. So we get, let's see, 76676 we have 6 plus 6 12, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 6 plus 6 12, we have 1252 units, square root of 1252 units. Now in order to find the value of this, we can use long division method. Let's see, 1252, we group it this way. So we have 3 3s are 9, 3 remains, 52 comes down here. We have 3 plus 3 6, and so we check with 65 65 multiplied by 5 is 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 is 32, and then 66 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 is are 36 plus 3 is 39, which is larger than 352, so we'll use 325. So we have 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, minus 325. We have 12 minus 5 7, and 4 minus 2 2. This is 70. We can take decimal point here. We'll take 2 zeros over here. We have, so we use 3 here. We have 3 3s are 9, 3 0, 3 7s are 21. 3 will be over here. So let's see, 607, and we get 10 minus 9 1, 10 minus 1 9, let's see, and 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 9 1. We'll take one more pair of zeros here, which will come down here, and we have 703. Let's try with 8. We get 5. If we use 8 over here, we get, yes, 8 will be here. We get 8 8s are 64, and 8 6 are 48 plus 6 is 54. So we have 5 here. then 8 sevens are 56. So we get 10 minus 4 6, 10 minus 5 5, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6 is 5. Let's see, 9 minus 7 is 2. This will go on forever, so we'll stop at 2 digits after decimal point. So we have m equal to 35.38 units. So the value of m is 35.38 units.